In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable auto mute in Zoom. This setting is incredibly useful if you're hosting large meetings and want to manage background noise effectively. It ensures that as participants enter the meeting, their microphones are automatically muted, providing a smoother and less disruptive experience for everyone involved. Now, let's get started with the steps you need to follow. First, you'll want to access your Zoom account on your computer. Open your web browser and head over to the Zoom website. Once you're there, look for My Account. This is often located in the top right corner of the page. Click on My Account to enter your personal Zoom dashboard, where you can manage all of your settings. Now that you're in your account, the next step is to navigate to the Settings section. This will allow you to access various options that control how Zoom behaves during your meetings. Find the Settings button and click on it. This will bring you to a page filled with options related to your Zoom experience. We're gradually honing in on the specific setting we need. Next, look for the Meeting tab on the left-hand side of the page. Click on Meeting to open up a list of options specific to the meetings you host or join. This tab is crucial for managing how your meetings operate and ensuring everything runs smoothly. Within the Meeting tab, you're going to focus on the Schedule Meeting section. This section deals with the initial settings for when you plan and set up your Zoom gatherings, whether they're recurring or one-time events. Click on Schedule Meeting to reveal several toggles and options that can be adjusted according to your preferences. The final step in this process is to locate the setting labeled Mute All Participants when they join a meeting. This setting is designed to automatically still participants' microphones as soon as they enter the virtual meeting space. To enable this feature, simply toggle the option on. This toggle is usually visualized as a button or switch that changes color or position when activated. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled the auto mute feature in Zoom. Remember, this is particularly beneficial in environments where keeping the meeting as free from disturbances as possible is key. Whether you're leading a presentation or hosting a seminar, this setting allows you to maintain control of the audio environment, ensuring a professional and courteous experience. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide makes your Zoom meetings more efficient and enjoyable.